All right, we are looking at, this is CC3, and this is section 3.1.2, specifically number 3-15. All right, so it wants us to evaluate the following expressions given the values below. So I'm going to rewrite so we can see it better. So I have an expression AB plus BC plus AC. So it's A times B plus B times C plus A times C. And they want us to evaluate it for A equals 2, B equals 5, and C equals 3. So that means take those values, 2, 5, and 3, and plug them into the appropriate variables. So A is 2. So it's 2, and then when you have a variable next to a variable, that means multiplication. So it's 2 times 5, because B is 5, plus, well, B is 5, times BC means B times C. So 5 times 3, plus, again, A was 2, so A times, and C is 3. So I've got to do the order of operations, do some math. So 2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 times 3 is 6. So I did all my multiplication first, and then my addition. My addition is, we have 25 plus 6 is 31. So there's A. So then B, I'll rewrite B. B says 20 minus x squared, all divided by y minus x. And they want us to evaluate that for x equals negative 2 and y equals positive 6. So I'm taking 20 minus x squared. X is negative 2. So this is tricky. So it's negative 2 squared. I have to square the negative, divided by y is 6 minus, again, now minus what? A negative 2. So if I rewrite that expression with using these values, this is what it looks like. And then it's order of operations. When you have a big division problem like so, you want to get one number up top, one number on the bottom before you do any dividing. So what does that look like? So the first is, let's go ahead and simplify the top. So I have 20 minus what? Well, negative 2 squared. That means negative 2 times negative 2, which gives me a positive 4. Okay. And then that on the top still, I'm going to keep going. On the top, that is 16. So now I have one number on the top. So I need to do the same thing on the bottom. On the bottom, I have 6 minus negative 2. 6 minus negative 2 is the same thing as 6 plus 2, right? A minus a negative makes it all a plus, a positive. So it's a double negative, all becomes plus, so that really becomes 8. So now I have 16 over 8. Now I can do the division, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. There's the process. All right, there you go.